Okay, it's definitely better than it was. But at the end I wasn't able to lift the bag. Really hard work. And it's winter and here is minus. I add a component but should avoid freezing too soon. But honestly I don't know, and this is fastener either in the same time. So I am not sure. First what I did, this was already kind of hard. And I don't know do this fastener work or this was freezing. In any case, this is only for the chicken coop and I can live with result what I have. And I am glad I did it. Really hard. Don't know. Okay, it is like it is. I don't want see concrete for a while, at least not today. Yeah. So here we are. My new friend. I need name for her. So I built my chicken coop, and since we have cold climate, this is lot about proper insulation. And I try to use less material and use pieces and so on. So I have exterior walls with the first insulation layer, and now I need to build extra frame for interior walls, plus I need add exterior wall, one layer with new frame to give more insulation and better support. And definitely was most hardest part this concrete floor, and I am only happy I did this one. Now I already can enjoy the work. And my chicken, they are waiting for this room for sure.
No, kuidas läheb?
Not too mad about this job. So, first layer was moist barrier, and this is always essential if you put wood on the concrete. And second layer was net, and this is because I don't want to have any rodents, any mice or rats. After I will fold this on the wall. So far so good indeed. I am moving, not very fast, but I am moving. So it's coming slowly. I have corner. And today I bought used door with glass and window. Tomorrow my friend hopefully help me and we can install them because I am not able to lift this door alone. I really feel like I am back in my element again with all this building, planting, what will be topic for another video hopefully. And days are already much longer. Outdoor is mostly sunshine. Spring is coming. And together with spring, hope for the next season. Don't ask how I live together with 3 hens. It's not so bad because I clean constantly, but yes, I hope I can finish this coop soon enough. Even if I like my hens very much, I would prefer them live separately. Yeah, but I am crazy enough to live together with them at least some days. I can't help. I am like I am. So hopefully your days is long and nice and sunny too, and I really hope to make now video per week again. Busy. In any case, thank you.